there is no such thing as a stress-free life. The only place that there is no stress is when we are 6 feet underground. So anxiety is more common than we imagine. When we look at anxiety, where does anxiety come from? It comes from stress. Stress in small doses, it can be beneficial. It can motivate us to reach our goals and help us to accomplish tasks more effectively. But stress is key for our human survival. But too much stress can be detrimental to our health, and it can lead to anxiety, depression, burnout, and a series of other symptoms. So what is the difference between fear and anxiety? Fear is directed to a concrete object or situation. It is an external focus. So as an example, during COVID-19, I'm fearful of stepping out of the house, that I might get the virus. So the fear is external. And then anxiety is based on possibility rather than probability. And it's internal focus. The more I think about getting contracted with the virus, the more anxious I become. Fear is external, anxiety is internal focus. So we know that there is no such thing as a stress-free life. As long as we are alive, we are likely going to experience stress. The only place that there is no stress is when we are 6 feet underground. When we are dead, then you have a stress-free life. And so the question here is, how do we learn to manage stress? So we want to learn how to stay relaxed. So when it comes to relaxation, there is no right or wrong way to relax. Most important is accessibility, frequency. How often are you doing it? And then the next is to make sure that it is harmless. Whatever techniques that we have chosen to stay relaxed, make sure that it is helpful and it is harmless. So the next thing in terms of